I am very happy to present you the complement of the successful Ergologics corkscrew, the wine set. Next addition to the Ergologics range, the wine set is made of 3 products. A foil cutter to remove the foil from the top of wine bottles, a wine pourer to airing wine while pouring, as well as putting back last drops into the bottle, and a wine pump and stopper to preserve freshness of already opened wine bottles. The foil cutter features a stainless steel blade surrounded by a plastic round shape that gives a solid grip when removing the plastic or aluminum foil. It is meant to be used with standard bottles having a bottleneck diameter between 27 and 31 millimeters. To use it, place the foil cutter on top of the wine bottle. The edges should be in contact with it. Grasp the foil cutter in the palm, ensuring a tight fit, and with the other hand, turn the bottle. When done, remove the foil cutter. The wine seal should come off. If not, with the help of your finger, you can easily remove it. For larger bottle openings, up to 31 millimeters, gently open the foil cutter to adjust to the size of the bottle. When in place, squeeze the foil cutter with one hand and turn the bottle with the other. Once you have opened your bottle of wine, you can now use the wine pourer. Thanks to the opening, it will create a better aeration of wine while pouring. The sharp edge will prevent splashes and ensure the last drops go back in the bottle. Place the wine pourer on top of the wine bottle and gently pour. For storage, the wine pourer can fit inside the foil cutter, and both products can go inside the Ergologics corkscrew. If you don't finish your bottle of wine, you can use the wine pump to extract air from it and preserve the open bottle. It has the same design language as the corkscrew. To use it, place the stopper to seal the opened bottle. Place the wine pump on top of it and pump air out until there is resistance. The pump creates a vacuum that keeps wine free from oxidation but preserves taste. Remove the wine pump and leave the stopper in place. To reopen wine, press on the tab on top of the wine stopper until you hear that air pressure is released, and then remove the stopper. The foil cutter and the pump are not dishwasher safe. The pourer and the stopper can be placed in the dishwasher in the cutlery basket for cleaning. The wine set is a complete wine experience that enhances opening, serving and storing of wine. Cheers!